guys, headed back for work. Just got off work and stuff. Man, I just tried to pedal this bike without the power, bro. It's impossible. Maybe if I take the battery out, it probably might be different. But I gotta wake up at 5 in the morning, bro, for Dollar Tree. Bro, today, let me tell you, bro, I thought it was short. Cause you know, I'm a teller, like basically, you know, I'm a cash register, so at Dollar Tree, dang, feel good. I like that bike. But at Dollar Tree, I'm cash register, and like, I thought, she said I was short $8. I was like, huh? $8? Ain't no way. I was counting this up good. But I didn't look inside my pocket place, basically, where I keep my what's it called again? I keep my my little bit of money. But like, what messed me up was my boss. He wanted to give me like basically like he basically wanted to give me like $20 in ones, and I'm already counting somebody else's money. So I'm like, okay. I'm like, bro, calm down, bro. You know he African, so you know how they move, bro. They be moving so fast. Sometimes they be forgetting, like slow down, bro. Like, we ain't going nowhere. So basically, that's what happened. Kind of like messing up my like. Today was a good day, but also a little aggravating because you know I had customers. I got this old lady talking about, can you put it in a different bags? Like, I can't put one item in one bag. I gotta put stuff in every bag. You feel me? I can't put just one item in one bag. That's wasting bags. This time I'm an old lady, bro. I was like, I don't give a crap if you an old lady or not. At the end of the day, this is my job. Like, I'm not about to bend over for you. Like, you'll be alright. The world, bro, what's wrong with people? Like, girl, I'll be honest, bro. Like, you gotta get it how you live it now, bro. Cause it's 2025. Nobody got time for how simply because you old and simply because you young. No, bro. It's not like that no more. Like, people got jobs, bro. I can't just bend over for you to do something for you. No, that's not how it works, bro. But it was just funny. It was just funny what she was saying. Oh, I have to go this way. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go this way, and then I'm gonna turn. Turn over here, do a U-turn. But yeah, bro, it was so funny because like she wanted me to put one item in one bag, bro, and she had so many bags. Like, she had so many stuff. She had so much cough drops. I was like, oh, bro, she a grandma for real. You know how grandmas is, bro. They have their purse. I'm like, bro, I can't do that, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Like, I can't do that. I'll go this way. Oh, I forgot they can't go this way. But yeah, it was just so funny because like she wanted me to do. I was like, bro, I can't kiss your behind. I'm sorry. You gotta take it over corporate, and you know they ain't gonna want to do that. So let's say, you know, she's talking about, well, she have customer service. I'm like, all right, bro. I'm not even about to argue with you. You old, I'm young. I beat you already. I ain't worried about. I'm not arguing with you, bro. And then it was another lady that couldn't put her credit card in, and she keep taking it out. Oh, it's not going through. I'm like, cause he's taking it out too fast, and it's not saying take it out yet. And then I'm like, oh my goodness, bro. Bro, it was just so funny cause like they was just like, I don't know, bro. Sometimes, bro, I don't know what's wrong with people, bro. Like, I don't know what's wrong with humans. They be taking Dollar Tree for granted sometimes. Can we go? Oh no, it's red. Bro, I can't, bro. They be taking Dollar Tree for granted, like, it's funny. It's gonna be funny, bro. When Dollar Tree, it ain't gonna be no such thing as Dollar Tree, bro. It's gonna be funny. And everybody gonna be like, dang, man, we should never took this for granted and all that, bro. I feel, dang, I miss Dollar Tree. Man, when Dollar Tree was here, y'all was still talking, y'all was waiting, y'all was complaining about stuff that was $1.25, bro. That's crazy, bro. So I don't want to hear it. Bro, sometimes I be disappointed in America. Like, bro, what's up with all this, like, Florida, bro? Like, bro, always having some work done, bro. Like, dang. Is the sidewalk closed, or can I go? I think I can go. It just closed for them. That's the thing. Have to go through here. Boom, boom, easy. Oh, is the bills right there? That bill's look old. Charger right there. Oh, I didn't even know Buffalo Wild Wings. I think I did see Buffalo Wild Wings. Can't remember. I gotta make sure my tire ain't flat, actually. Let me check. Because I did run over something. Nah, it's still the same. Can't lose some air though. I stand by these big tires. They be saying, oh, they good. Come on, look at her. See, look at this dummy. You see what I mean? Look at this dummy. Like, bro, you literally could just waited. Stop trying to beat me. What the fuck? What is wrong with people, bro? Like, I'm on a bike, bro. Like, it don't take like that much just to stop. Like, literally, she tried to beat me. It's not even just her. It's a lot of cars that would try to do that. Like, you'll be in front of them a little bit. They act like they can't wait, so they hurry up and zoom in. Like, bro, you do know if you hit me, it's your fault, bro. I'ma sue you. I don't care, bro. Because just for that, like, you doing dumb stuff. Like, that lady could have waited. Like, she could just slow down, let me pass, boom. It ain't that deep. Stop trying to beat somebody, bro. See, I catch up with him. Oh dang. You know what? Then I can make it. Oh no. Why did I go down this way? Let me see something. Jump over this. Bro, I know my back wheel gotta hate me, bro, on everything. Ooh. Oh, Publix getting built right here.